In this video, I want to talk about creating a watermark. If you notice, when I go to print preview, it's just the text, there's nothing in the background. A watermark will be something that will appear behind your text. So right now I don't have any. And what a watermark can do is give you the option of including something that this is just draft, confidential, do not copy, whatever you want to include on every page. And you can find watermark under the design tab. And it's over here on the right hand side. It says watermark. And these are some of the watermarks already created. So maybe this is something, it's a sample. It's, where's a draft here? I lost draft. Oh, there it is right there. So these are pre-designed watermarks. So if I want to use draft, I just click on draft and it will appear on every page. I'll just bring it into the print preview and print, and you'll see that the word draft is behind everything. And it's nice that if you send this out, then someone will say, okay, it's a draft, it's not ready for publication. If you want to change the watermark, all you have to do is go back here and choose, let's say do not copy or confidential, whatever you want to work. We're going to go back to draft for now. Now we can also, if we go back to watermark, we can actually customize it. And if you click on customize, you can change the text. So right now it says draft. Maybe you want to have draft followed by the date. So as I record this, it's July 1st, 2024. And you don't want it to be gray. You want it to actually have a little vibrance. So let's say here we'll just do a kind of a purple. That's going to gray it out, but it'll at least work. Now, many dialog boxes, or some dialog, not many, some dialog boxes will have an apply button. What that means is if you hit apply, that's the same thing as hitting OK. You're going to accept those changes, but it's going to leave the dialog box open. And this is kind of nice if you're trying to experiment with the colors. What color do I want? What text do I want? What font do I want? So if I hit apply, you'll see that the dialog box still stays out. You can see that it's great, kind of made it a shadow of its full color. So let's say, oh, I don't like that purple. I want something different. Let's say maybe bright red. And then again, you hit apply and it'll make that change for you. If you want to change the font, there's tons of fonts you can work with. Whatever you want to do. Let's do, where is, I'm looking for one. There we go. Let's say Cooper Black. And then I'll just click OK. So what that'll do is it'll accept it. Kind of frivolous, but it looks nice. So it'll appear, if I go back to the print preview and print, and it'll appear on every page. You know, maybe you decide, boy, this red is too dark. You can go and make changes as much as you want. Now, sometimes you don't want the watermark to appear on the first page. So what we need to do is tell Word that we want to create a different first page. So to do that, you want to be at the very top of your document, and you'll see this blank area up here. This is just the top margin. This is where your header would appear. And if I scroll to the bottom, this is where our footer appears. The page number is on the footer section. So it's easier to do it with the header. If I just put my pointer where the header will appear and click twice. So now I have the header footer configuration tab. And then right in the middle in the options button, I want to have a different first page. And what you'll notice once I do that, the watermark goes away. So I will close header and footer, and I will print preview. So first page, no watermark. Second, third page has a watermark. And if you decide, oh, actually I want the watermark on everything, so you just go back, double click the header, and remove the little check mark in front of different first page. So for example, you have a document where you have a cover page. Maybe you don't want to see draft on the cover page, or maybe you do. I mean, it's really up to you. So there's options if you don't want it on the first page. So that gives you a little bit of an idea of working with watermark. When you are finished, All you need to do is go back to design. It's like, okay, this is ready. I want to get rid of the watermark, or maybe I don't want to, but let's say I do. So for example, if we use the draft, I can then tell it to remove watermark, and then it'll remove it from the document. So that's working with watermarks.